We will learn the abstraction. Abstraction is also easy. Okay, you are in day-to-day life you are using the abstraction only. Okay, so if I give you the real-time example, in every topic I have to give the real-life example, right? Because I told you before, like while introduce the OOPS concept, all the concept of the OOPS is based on the real life. So if I want to give the abstraction in the abstraction example means your laptop only. Your laptop or your bike is an example of the abstraction. Okay, suppose you want to open the laptop. What you will do to start the laptop? Power button you will press and your laptop will be on. Anyone knows if I press the power on button, what will happen? Internal structure. Anyone knows? Anyone knows the? Okay, if you take the bike example, suppose if we move the key and if we start the self button, bike will be start, right? We knows that thing. But if we press the self button, so what will happen inside internally? Anyone knows? It will go somewhere and all we don't know, right? So that is the meaning of the abstraction. So what it will do, it will hide the implementation and just showing the important services to the user. Okay, it will hide the implementation and just showing the important services to the user. That is only known as the abstraction. Means in the bike we knows that is the, if we press sell button it will be start, but we don't know the internal implementation what will be happen like that, right? If we take the laptop example, if we press the button our laptop will start, but we don't know what is internally. So what it will do, so internally it will hide the implementation. Okay, and just showing the important services or the setup services that we are offering. Or if we take the simple example, simple definition means hiding implementation and just showing the important services to the user, that only known as the abstraction. Okay, that only known as the abstraction. Easy. And we can achieve the abstraction in two ways. First is abstract class and another one is the interface. So what is meant by abstract class and why I am writing here 0 to 100% and 100% here? So why means with the help of abstract class we can achieve 0 to 100%. Okay, and with the help of interface we can achieve 100% abstraction. Means with the, if you are using the abstract class for the abstraction, so sometime you will get 50% or sometime you will get the 100% also. Okay, but if you are using interface for the abstraction, so all time you are getting the 100% of the abstraction. So today we are seeing that is the first type, that is the abstract class. Okay, how you will how we will achieve the abstraction with the help of abstract class we will see today. So now abstract class. Okay, how we will declare the class here? Simply we will write access modifier, then what is the first, what is this one? Class keyword, and then what is this one? Name of the class, or we can say that another name is the another topic we learn, no? Class name, object name, variable name, identifier. Okay, so this is the, we can say that this is also identifier. Now we are learning the abstract class. Now if you want to declare the abstract class, we have to declare with the abstract word. Okay, now I want to convert this class into the abstract class. What we need to do? Simply we need to write here abstract. Okay, simply we need to write the abstract. Now this is called as the abstract class, and with the help of this class we can achieve the abstraction. Okay, with the help of this class we can successfully achieve the abstraction. It can have abstract and non-abstract method also. Mean inside this method we can write abstract method also and the non-abstract method. Non-abstract method means simple, like if I write here public then public then void then m1. If I write here, this is called as the normal method, or we can say that this is a normal method or the non-abstract method, we can say that. And if you want to declare the abstract method, how we can declare? Simply we will write here public void m1 I am writing. So can this is called the abstract method? No. Simply what we need to write here? Okay. Okay, this is called as the abstract method. So abstract keyword, the method which is declared with the abstract keyword, okay, that is known as the abstract method. Okay, the method which is declared with the abstract keyword, that is only known as the abstract method. And the class which is declared with the abstract keyword means abstract class. The class which is declared with the abstract keyword, that is known as the abstract class. And the method which is declared with the abstract keyword, that only known as the abstract method. And see this method. This method does not having any concrete body. This is called as the concrete body. Okay, this is known as the concrete body, and this abstract method don't have any concrete body, and it will end with the semicolon. Okay, abstract method, it is always end with the semicolon. Okay, after that another point is that it needs to be extended and its method is implemented. It is implemented here. No, it is not implemented here, right? Concrete body is not there, so we have to implement there. So how we will implement? Just we need to extend this method somewhere, extend this class somewhere, and after that we need to provide the body of this class. Okay, so how we will provide the body and all? So we will see now. Simply I will remove this one. This is the class. Okay, and main thing is that whatever class name we are giving here, no, that is the file name test.java. So here only you have to create a main method, otherwise it will be not execute. Many people are facing this problem, no. So see, my class name is a test, so that's why I have created the file name as a test.java. So here only I will create a main method, because JVM will find here only the main method. Okay, if I write here the another class like class one, if I write here like that, or another bike. Okay, suppose I am writing here bike class, and inside that if I write here the main method. Okay, if I write here main method, so JVM will not recognize this method. Okay, why? Because what is the name of our file? That is the test.java, and where we have created the main method inside the bike. That's why it will not execute. Okay, so whatever file name you have given, only that class you have to create the main method. Okay, now here the class we have created. Now to that, so what we need to write? Only we need to write the abstract keyword. Now this is called as the, here something is wrong. Here we need to write. Okay, this is called as the now abstract class. Okay, the class which is declared with the abstract keyword, that is only known as the abstract class. Now here we can declare the abstract method also and the non-abstract method also. So simply we'll try to declare the non-abstract method, abstract method first. Abstract, and simply we'll write here void, and here start. Simply I am writing like that. Okay, I created the class with the name by, which is an abstract class, and inside that I have created a method start, and that is a abstract method, and it does not have any body. Okay, it does not have any body. After that it cannot be instantiated. Instantiated means, we cannot create a object of this class. Okay, instantiated means we cannot create the object of the class. Here is the our abstract class. We cannot able to create a object of this class. See, simply I will write here main method, and if I want to uh, create an object, what is the name of our class? Abstract class is bike. Simply I am writing here. Oh, sorry. If I write here bike, so it is giving the error. See, it is giving the error, cannot instantiate the type bike, because we have created as an abstract. Okay, we cannot create the object of the abstract class. Okay, we cannot able to create the object of the abstract class. So what we will do, simply we will remove this one. Okay, now here we have declared the class, that is the abstract class, and it does not have any concrete body. Concrete body means simply we write like that. This is called as the concrete body. Okay, we have not provided here the concrete body, so we have to provide the concrete body of this one. So how we will provide this one? So simply we will come here, or we can declare the another class here. So simply I am declaring here class. Okay, this one I am creating. Suppose we will give here vehicle. Okay, class vehicle I am giving here, and here what we need to do? Suppose if I want to implement this class, or if you want to provide the body of this class, how we will provide? Simply we have to extend first the vehicle class, that is the abstract class, we have to extend, and after that we have to provide the body. If you will not override this method, it will give you the error. Okay, it will give you the error. So how we will override? Simply we can write here public, then void. Now this called as the override, right? Overriding, what is meant by overriding? Overriding means same method name, same parameter, but different class. This is called as the method overriding. Means this method is overridden here, right? From this is the parent class, and this is the child class. This method is overridden here. Now simple I am writing here system.out, and here I am writing start by self. Okay, start by self I'm writing. After that, another example we will take. Here I'm writing class car. Okay, and here if you want to implement the body of this one, again we will what we will do, change, and simply you can take one class also, no worries, I am taking multiple class, so you can take one class also. Okay, and simply what we need to do, another step, you can override, here from here also. Simply you can click on this one and add a unimplement method, so it will be override. See, add that override, only annotation came here. And simply we need to provide here system.out, and here we need to provide in start key, simple and right. Okay, so two classes we have created here. That is, first one is scooter, and after that another one is the class. Both the both the both the classes are abstract class or not? Abstract class.
These are not.
Which are the abstract class here and which are not the abstract classes here? Vehicle is abstract class, and scooter, car, and another test method is also not a abstract class here. Okay, so what we need to do here, we have declared one method, abstract method, because we have declared with the abstract keyword and it does not have any body and it is end with the semicolon. Now, if you want to provide the implementation of this, what we need to do? Simple, we need to extend this class, that is the vehicle class, and after that we have to override this method. Okay, this method I have overridden here. Okay, two class, same thing I have created with the two class, that is the scooter and the car. Now simply we need to call that one. So simply what we will do, create a object and we will call, so which is our first class here. Can we create the object of the vehicle? No, why? Abstract class, we cannot able to create a object of the abstract class, right? New, and which is the class name, car we will take first. Okay, and with the help of car we can simply call the method. So which is, what is the name of our method? Start, right? After that again we will come here and new bike. Bike is there, scooter, no? Okay, and here we will write scooter. 1 minute question. Okay, so what we are doing here, simply we are created the object, and with the help of object we need to call the method, no? What is the name? Okay, so what we did here, I will revise again. So simply we have created the class first, that is the abstract class. That what is the name of the class? Vehicle. How we will declare this class? How we will convert this class into the abstract class? Simply with the abstract keyword we use, and now this is called as the abstract class. After that we have declared the method inside that. The method which is declared with the abstract keyword and which does not have any body, that is called as the abstract method. This abstract method does not have any body and it is ended with the semicolon. Now we have to provide the implementation of this method. So how we will provide? Simply we have created another class, class scooter, and we have extended this class, that is the vehicle class, and after that we have just overridden this method. Okay, we have just overridden the start method here, and we have write whatever we want, that we have wrote here. Okay, after that same thing we did with the car, extend vehicle, and we have overridden the start method, and simply after that what we did for the car and the scooter, and simply with the help of that object we have called the method, the start method and the start method also. Now if I run this one, so what will be the output? Start by key and start by self. If I run this one, see, first we are getting, that is the start by key, and after that start by self. So what is mean by abstraction? I said like that, no? So hiding implementation and just showing the important services to the user. So if you see here inside the abstract class, it is showing any implementation? No, it is showing only the start. Okay, it is showing only the start, means it is showing only the important services to the user, and it is hiding implementation. Where is our implementation? Here. and here also our implementation is there. But here inside the abstract class, we are just showing the important services to the user, that only known as the abstraction. Okay, that only known as the abstraction. Hiding implement, these are implementation, no, hiding implementation and just showing the important services to the user, that only known as the abstraction. Okay, and how we will declare, what are the ways to achieve the abstraction? First is the abstract class, and another one is the abstract method. No, see, there are two ways to achieve the abstraction. First one is the abstract class, and another one is the interface, right? Interface and the abstract class. So how we will write, how we will achieve with the help of abstract class? How we will write the abstract class? With the help of abstract keyword. Inside that we have to write the abstract method. So how we will write? With the help of abstract keyword. Okay, and we will end that method with the semicolon. Now we have to provide the implementation. So what we need to do? We have to just, we will extend that one, and whatever method present inside the abstract class, we just need to override that. Okay, see, simply if I create another method here, so whatever method present here, no, simply I will write here start. Okay, now we have two methods. See, everywhere they are giving the error. I mean, means number of method if you present here. So number of method, for number of method we have to provide the implementation here. Okay, suppose we have one method, so we have to provide the one implementation. Suppose we have two methods here, for two methods also we have to provide the two implementation. If we have a 10 methods over here, so we have to provide the 10 implementation for the 10 method. Okay, okay, so that is the thing. Another thing is that, that is the abstract method. It can have the constructor and the static method also. Means it's in the abstract class we can declare the constructor also, and we can declare the static method also. Okay, if you want to write the constructor here, how will you write? Public, this is the constructor. Public, simply we will write here vehicle. Okay, this is the constructor also we can write, or if we want to write the static method, we can able to write the static method also inside the vehicle. But most of the time we are writing only the abstract method inside that, because we want to achieve the abstraction. Okay, so this is the abstract class. Now the main important thing about the main important thing about the abstract method. So how abstract method? So here see, abstract method in which class I have declared? Inside the abstract class, I have declared the abstract method. Now, if I remove this one, now this class will be a normal class or the abstract class? Normal class. But it is giving the error. See, this abstract method is giving the error. Why it is giving the error? Because if you want to create an abstract method, it must be inside the abstract class. Okay, it must be declared inside the abstract class. If I write here abstract again, so the error will be gone. But if I remove it again, so it will give you the error. Okay, if you want to declare the abstract method, it must be declared inside the abstract. So if, and suppose here, if you want to declare the another class also, see another method also, public void m1 normal method. If you want to declare also, so you can declare here. Okay, anyone will ask you what is the difference between abstract class and the normal class. So what is the difference? Normal methods also. Okay, also we can declare difference. Okay, see, first we will go by step by step. Okay, abstract class, and the simply say I will remove this one, or we will take this. So inside the below only we have a normal method, and this one we have the abstract method. See first syntax, abstract class vehicle, and here only we have the class footer. So what is the difference between two things? Abstract class is declared with the abstract keyword, and normal class is declared by the class only, right? Abstract class is, if you want to declare the abstract class, we can declare with the abstract keyword. Okay, and inside the abstract class, which method we will use? Abstract method also and non-abstract method also. But inside the normal class, if you want to declare the abstract method, see, suppose I will copy from here, and if I want to declare the abstract class into the normal class, can it is possible? No. So inside the normal class, we can declare only the normal class, normal method. We cannot able to declare the abstract method. This is the another difference, right? And if you want to provide the implementation of this one, so what we need to do? We always have to extend this abstract class, because we have to provide the implementation of this one. The whatever method present inside that, we have to implement this one. But if you take about this one, so we can make the object and we can call it here only, right? So another difference is that, can we able to create the object of this abstract class? No, but we can able to create the object of the normal class. Okay, that is the difference between abstract class and the normal class. And what is the difference between abstract method and normal method? Abstract method is declared by the abstract keyword, and normal method is declared by the normal, right? Normal way. After that,
abstract method only implementation in abstract class only.
Abstract method we can declare only in the abstract method, but normal method we can declare in abstract method also, abstract class also, and non-abstract class also. After that, abstract method, no need to see. Abstract method does not have any body. See, abstract method have any body? No, but normal method have the concrete body. Okay, this is called as the concrete body. This one. Okay, this one. So, okay, so this is the difference between the abstract method and non-abstract method, and difference between the abstract class and the non-abstract class. And this is all about the abstraction. That is the first way to achieve the abstraction. That is the what is mean by abstraction?
Hiding the implementation and
Hiding implementation and
enable the valuable information.
yes, just showing the important services to the user. That only known as the abstraction. So here we have created the method which is showing any implementation. No, just it is showing the important services, that is the start to the user. Okay, so this is the known as the abstraction, and this is the first way to achieve the abstraction, that is by the abstract class. Anyone have any difficulty here? Anyone have any difficulty? Anyone have any doubt till here? Huh? You want to try by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. So we will stop here. Otherwise, I will take the interface also. Interface will take tomorrow because it is lots of for today, I think. Okay. Interface will take tomorrow. Interface is a little bit big topic and it is very important. So we will take abstract class today only. Interface we will take tomorrow. Okay. And today's assignment is that you have to create a program on the interface, and you have to create another real life example on the abstract class. Okay. Not the interface, abstract class. Okay. Any difficulty? If you are